Okay, let's begin our class with a word of prayer. Heavenly Master, we come before this time as we are going to begin our class. May you protect us. What we are going to learn, let us understand. In the name of the Father, I believe and pray. Amen. Okay, before you is Madam Villa Chabet Sile, I'm going to present Geography Topic 1, Introduction to Geography. So, first, we have the issues that we have to tackle, like definition of geography. First, definition of geography. Geography is the study of distribution and interrelationship of natural phenomena on the Earth's surface. And geography is divided into two words, geo and gravian. It means it was derived from two Greek words. That is geo, which means earth, and gravia, which means to describe or draw. So geo stand for earth, gravian stand for describe. When we combine these geo and gravians, we end up with geography means to describe the earth. So it means to describe the earth. Through geography, we can describe the earth. So this geography, in short or in brief, it explains about the earth, things that are or things that we tackle on earth. So geography describe the earth. The key points. The key points in geography. Geography, it explores spatial patterns and processes. This geography explores spatial patterns and processes. Then it investigates the relationship between people and the environment. First of all, we have said geography describes the earth. Yani it describes the earth, things that are on the earth, how as human beings relate with the environment. Maybe we are living in a cool place. How do we relate with it? How how do we how do we tackle with that environment that we have? So that it investigates the relationship between people and the environment. It helps us to understand the world around us. This earth, it helps us to understand the world in general, things that is going on world. This geography is the one that helps us to understand those things. So those are the key points. The key points are three. That one is it explores spatial patterns and processes. It investigates the relationship between people and their environment. It helps us to understand the world around us. To understand the world around us. Yeah, that's all. Let's move to the next slide. I think you're getting me, you people. Any question? Next slide, we are going to talk about the branches of geography. Under these branches of geography, we have two main branches of geography. The two main branches of geography are physical geography and human geography. But in other circumstances, we can be asked to mention three branches of geography. When you are asked to mention three branches of geography, that is physical geography, human geography, and practical geography. But in case you are just asked, mention underline the word two main branches of geography, that is physical geography and human geography. But when you are asked three, just add practical geography because it's there. So we will begin with the physical geography. Under physical geography, physical geography is the study of earth physical features and processes. It is the study of earth physical features and processes. This physical from the term itself, physical. It deals with the physical features like it includes things like geomorphology, climatology, hydrology. In this geomorphology, you can be asked, define geomorphology. What is geomorphology? In this case, geomorphology is the study of landform. While climatology, from the word climate, climatology, it is the study of climate. Then hydrology. Hydrology, on its own explanation, it is the study of water bodies. Study of water bodies. So I think that's understood. We have geomorphology, that's the study of landform. Climatology is the study of climate. Hydrology is the study of water bodies. These terms are the ones that you may be asked, you may be examined on most of the time, because there are terminology that relate with this geography. Yeah, okay, let's go to the next slide. So we have tackled the first branch, that is physical geography. We are going to the next branch, that is the human geography. So human geography is the study of human activities and their spatial patterns. This is the study of human activities and their spatial pattern. This means that this human geography contains things that we participate, we do on the earth's surface. These are things that humans are doing on the earth surface. It may be agriculture, maybe mining, farming, most of the things that as human on the earth surface we do so that we can earn our income, or maybe for, yeah, mostly for income and other for research. So under this human geography, the study of human geography, these include the cultural geography. Cultural geography is the study of cultural landscape, traditional and belief. This human geography, as we are go, this under human geography, this includes cultural geography. And what is cultural geography? Cultural geography is the study of cultural landscape, tradition, and belief. After that, we are going to tackle another example of human geography is economic geography. What is economic geography? Economic geography is the study of economic activities such as agriculture, industry, and trade. So from the term economic, these are economic things that we do so that we can earn income. Economic, from the term economic geography, and things that we do so that we can earn income. So it's the study of economic activities such as agriculture. We can do agriculture and earn some income. Also, it provides us food that sustain us. So it like also development of industry. We can make tools like for farming, which we sell and get money. So those are the things. Also trade in shops, we sell and buy things. So that is economic geography. After economic geography, we are going to tackle another example of human geography is political geography. So, this political geography, first of all, we have to know what is political geography. Political geography is the study of political boundaries, government, and international relationships. So, also, this political geography is an example of human geography. After there, we are going to tackle the population geography. First of all, what is population geography? Population geography is the study of population distribution, density, and migration pattern. Through this population of geography, it helps us to identify the population in the country, in the world, through the census. Yeah, we have to know those who are dead, those who are alive, and those who are born. So this population geography, it's under there. What I've just explained now is includes the example of human geography. Now we are going to the next slide. And in this slide, we are going to look about practical geography. And remember, I had said when you are asked to name two main branches of geography, that is physical geography and human geography. But when you are asked name three branches of geography, you have to add practical geography and yeah, that only practical geography. You have to mention physical, human, and practical geography. So it will add up to three. Under this practical geography, first of all, what is practical geography? From the word practical, this means that we practice. It involves things that we do practice. It may be we are collecting data. We have to go to that areas, so we have to do it practically so that we can, Yeah, it's the things that are applicable. So it involves applying geographical knowledge and skill to real world situation. Yeah, we apply geographical knowledge and skill to real world situation. So those are these are practical geography. The key components of practical geography. Key component, first of all, geography. The topic that are studied under practical geographies are four. So that is map work, field work, photograph, and statistical method. Here I'm going to look for map work and field work. Under map work, map reading. Under map, there is map reading and interpretation. We have to read a map and interpret it. So also map making and construction. Also map making and construction. So this map help us in a wide range. Map can help you to identify places that are prone to maybe climate that are not favorable, maybe some places are not accessible. So this map can help you to identify those places. So that is it. And in fieldwork we are going to consider, like fieldwork can check on these things like conducting field trips to observe and record geological features, also collecting data through survey, interviews and measurement, taking photograph and field sketching. So when you work on fieldwork, this fieldwork is so, I think it's so important in learners. Why? Because it helps learners to manage time well through fieldwork. When they go collect like different types of data, what, they have to manage their time well. So this fieldwork it's important for you. That is under practical geography. Under practical geography, that is we have map work, field work, photograph work, then and statistical method. And practical geography, it involves applying geographical knowledge and skill to the real world situation. So that is practical geography. In brief, when you are asked branches, those three are the branches of geography: human, physical, and practical geography. I think I'm done with the branches of geography. I'm going to tackle the importance of geography. The importance of geography are: one, we have to understand how does this geography help us. When we go to school, how does this geography help us? Or we are just going there in class, we just enjoy ourselves without knowing the importance of this geography. We have to know the importance of this geography. First of all, geography. We go to school. Yeah, why do we go and learn this geography? One is it helps us to identify our careers. Yeah, it helps us. So this geography, it offers a wide range of career paths, including urban planning and teaching. So this geography, it helps us to identify our career, which kind of jobs we want to do in future. It's like this geography can help us to be geography teachers. It also helps us to be civil engineering. Yeah, good jobs like that. And this geography, it has diverse careers that can help us to to cater in life. So after that, it offers a wide range of career paths. It also geographic knowledge help in planning and designing sustainable cities and communication. Another importance of geography is that geographical knowledge help in planning and designing suitable cities and communities. So that's the next one. The third one is that through the study of fieldwork, it enables learners to manage time well. If we can recall what I had said in branches of geography, fieldwork is one of the topics studied under practical geography, and this practical geography is a branch of geography. So under that fieldwork, where a student can go to field, collect some required data, it help them to manage their time well. They can schedule their work in a suitable manner. So Fieldwork enable learners to manage their time well. Another thing, it enable learners to acquire knowledge such as analyzing, recording, and measuring. Yeah, through geography, students analyze, record, and measure. Like in geography, we have to measure distance from this location to this, from this to this. So, and also record. Maybe we have to record some information, so we have to record it. Analyze, also we analyze different things. So it enabled through the study of geography, learners are able to acquire knowledge such as analyze, record, and measuring. After that, it helps us to understand diverse culture, landscape, and society across the global. Geography helps learners to understand diverse culture because this geography deals with the study of the earth as a whole. So, as they go around in different cultures, it helps them to understand different cultures in different backgrounds. So, it enables them to understand more. I think those are the importance of geography. If I may ask any other importance one can add. Yes, my student, Emmanuel.
Another importance of studying
Geography.
geography is it help us to in during problem solving
Yeah, it helps in problem solving, such as how can you explain that point?
because sometimes you end up using maps
Mm-hmm.
which is used to identify potential problems such as in areas prone to natural disaster or resource scarcity.
Wow, wow, I get it. Another that you can add.
Another one is that it also help in decision making.
How?
I can give another example using maps. That maps provide valuable information for decision makers in various fields, including the urban planning.
Okay. Okay. So here I had identified like five importance. In addition, we have like is a problem, so it help in problem solving and also in decision making. I think there are those. So thank you. That's a good item, my student. Next slide. So in the next slide, I'm going here to tackle the relationship between geography and another subject. So the relationship between geography and other subjects, these may be like subjects like mathematics, biology, history, chemistry, agriculture, those home science, there are so many. So we have to know the relationship between them. So I'm going to start with the relationship between geography and mathematics. So mathematics, most of us can avoid mathematics because it's a tough subject, but remember it's useful in geography. How does this mathematics benefit geography? So under statistical, geographers use statistical method to analyze and interpret geological data. So these mathematics can help geographers to interpret geological data. Maybe like when you are conducting census, this mathematics is so useful because we have to know the people that are alive, who are dead, and those who are born. So this mathematics is what is going to help us in this in this part now. So also mathematics can help us to calculate time in geography. We have to know the formula that is applied in calculating of that time. So mathematics is useful there in geography. That is the benefit of mathematics in geography. Another relationship is that geography and biology. First of all, what is biology? Biology is the study of living organism. It deals with the living organism. How is it useful to geography? So, geographers uses biological knowledge to understand the distribution of plants and animals, as well as the impact of human activities on ecosystem. So this biology is useful in agriculture, in geography. How? Because it helps us. to use those biological knowledge to understand the distribution of plants and animals. In geography, we cannot use our own concept to understand the distribution of plants and animals. This biology is the one going to help us to know the distribution of plants and animals as well as the impact of human activities on ecosystem. So that's the relationship between geography and biology. Another thing is geography and history. The relationship between geography and history. What is history first? We have to know the definition of history. History is the study of past events. It's the study of past things that happened before. Yeah, it's just things that happened. So, happened, it's a past tense. We have to know that. So, it's the study of past event. Geography provides the special context of historical event, helping us to identify the influence climate and resources of human societies. So, this study of past event, how is this history going to help geography? This history is going to help us in geography. How? This way. This we have to know the history of a place before we decide which project we are going to carry out. Like maybe we want to build up an industry. We have to know the history of that place, the crime, securities, everything. We have to have the history. Maybe that place there is sparse population ever. So how are we going to tackle this our industry? Because and there is sparse population. So we have to consider those things. We get the history of the place. Maybe someone has just said that I want to plant my tea in this place, but if you consider the weather, it's not favorable. So we have to have the history. Maybe you get the history of a place so that you can set a project for yourself. So this history is important in geography. So that's another relationship. Next slide. Geography and political science. This political science deal mostly with government. Yeah, political system and government. How government is gonna help us to run this our geography. How is it beneficial to geography as a subject? So we have to know what is political science. Political science, is the study of political system and the government. From the word political science, it is the study of political system and government. So, how does this political science help geography? Does it relate with geography? So, geographers analyzes the political geography of states, boundaries, and election. So that's how this political science help is related to geography. Geographers can analyze political geographical states and boundaries and election. Another 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 relationship is the geography and agriculture. How is this agriculture beneficial to geography? How does it relate to it? So you're going to look at this. First of all, what is agriculture? Agriculture is an art and science of crop and livestock production. Is an art and science of crop and livestock production. So under this we have crop and livestock production. How does it relate with the geography? So geographers help farmers choose crops suitable for location condition. So, agriculture through the study of geography under geography we study climates, what different. So this geography relate with agriculture because it helps them to identify or to know the climate suitable for the crop that they want to grow in maybe different locations. Like here in Nandi, this climate is cool and wet, so it is suitable for tea. Therefore, it is useful it relate with geography, because geography study climate and agriculture is about crops, so it helps them to identify which types of crop to grow in this place and which one no, also which type of animal to keep and which one no, because the climate is not favorable to all different types of crop or animal, maybe either also in different places. Like in Kericho also the climate is cool and wet. We can also grow tea, yeah, because it is favorable. And what help us to identify that climate? This geography is the one that help us to identify those climate and also the suitable substance that we can use to manage them. So this geography is related to agriculture in different way, because it can also help us to produce more product because of choosing suitable crop to different locations. Yeah, that is it. I think that's done. Any question, my class? Any question? I think i think I'm understood or not, because we had tackled those things. Like in this topic, first of all, what you have to understand: definition of geography, branches or branches of geography. Those we have said there are three, but remember I had said when you are asked to name two main branches, it's physical geography and human geography. But when you asked to name three, remember to add practical geography. Other things are that you have to know the discipline or the relationship between the geography and other subject and other related subject, how they relate. It has to relate with others. Geography cannot work on its own. It has to borrow knowledge from other subjects so that it can thrive well. So that's how we tackle it. Then you have also to know the importance. Why do we study this geography? How is this beneficial to us? How does it help us? Maybe we are learning and it's going to lead us in a wrong way. So we have to know, but most of them have important a positive effect in our life. Recap for this: we have to know, define geography. If I may ask, what is geography? If I can involve this in a two-way conversation, what is geography? What is geography?
Geography can be defined as the study of distribution and interrelationship of natural and human phenomena on the Earth's surface.
Well done. What is geography? Geography is the study of distribution and interrelationship of natural and human phenomena on the earth. Yes, we spoke about the geography was derived from two Greek words. What's that?
Geo
And
and graphia.
so that is geo and gravian. What is the meaning of geo?
Geo means Earth.
Geo means earth. What about gravian?
Graphia means to describe.
So gravia means to describe. So it was derived from two Greek words, that is earth and gravia. Earth means geography means earth and gravia means to draw or describe. So when we put those two terminologies together, it says geography. When we put geo and gravian, it means it's the description of the earth. So it's the description of the earth. After that, we have the two main branches of geography. What are those?
The two main branches of geography are the physical geography and the human geography.
So we have physical geography and human geography. But when you are asked about the three branches of geography,
It is physical geography, human geography, and practical geography.
so when we are asked of main three branches of geography, that is physical, human, and practical geography. So after there, explain the differences between physical and human geography. How can you explain that?
The difference between physical geography and human geography is that physical geography focuses mainly on the natural processes and features like the landforms and the climate,
Mhm.
while the human geography mainly focuses on the human activities and their impact on the environment.
Well
This
done.
includes the economic, political, and cultural aspects.
Well done. Well done. So, in brief, we can say physical geography deals with things that surround us, okay? While human geography is the things that we do on the earth surface, maybe farming, different things. So that's the difference. Yeah. Then, if I may ask a question, state the topic that are studied under practical geography.
And
Practical geography.
under practical map work and field work.
Yeah, we have map work, field work, plus photograph and statistical work. So statistical methods. So those one are the one that we have. After that, what are the importance of studying geography? Why do we learn geography? How it is beneficial in our land, on ourselves, or maybe in our society? How is it beneficial? How?
We learn the most importance of geography is that it's a career subject
Mhm,
as it enable one to become a geography teacher
mhm,
and or a civil engineering.
mhm,
The second one is that it helps us understand the diverse cultures, landscape, and societies across the globe.
mhm.
The third one is that it enables learners to acquire knowledge for analyzing, recording, and measuring data. And the last one is that through the study of fieldwork, it enables learners to manage their time well.
Yeah. So those are the importance of geography. Which one? These are, it offers a wide range of career paths, including urban planning and teaching. So this geography help us to identify our careers, such as maybe teachers, yeah, also civil engineers. Also, through the study of fieldwork, geography enable learners to manage time well. Yeah, for us as teachers, we have to manage our time well. Yeah, this fieldwork is one that help us. Also, geographical knowledge help in planning and designing suitable cities and communities. Yeah, this also is important of geography. Another one, it enables learners to acquire knowledge such as analyzing, recording, and measuring. So it enables learners here through this study of geography, we acquire knowledge. Yeah, we get a lot of knowledge like analyzing, recording, measures. We have to know if it is measured in kilometers or meters, centimeters. Those are things we have to keep in mind. So this geography help us. It also help us to understand diverse culture, landscape, and society across the global. So it helps us to understand culture as we move around, as we move around the world. We'll get to understand diverse culture of people from different backgrounds. So we get to learn more. Those are the important of geography. Hmm, I think I'm understood in that point. Yeah. So another thing maybe is that you have to get. I think it is understandable. Most of them. I think the concept that I've given it is examinable. Just get to it. Yeah, that was the lesson. Thank you, and let's resume on the next time. Bye. See you on the next class, my student.